You know that weak, raspy stock exhaust on your Jeep TJ? Yeah, it's gotta go. Whether you're crawling rocks or cruising pavement, your rig deserves a voice that turns heads and doesn't choke performance. That's why today, we're breaking down the best-sounding exhaust systems for your Wrangler TJ. We're talking growl, torque, and real-deal trail vibes. All the links are down in the description if you're ready to make your Jeep sound like the beast it is. Kicking it off at number 6, we've got the Flowmaster FlowFX. Let's fire it up and check out that tone. This one delivers a deep, rich rumble thanks to its straight-through FlowFX muffler design. You're getting 2.5-inch stainless steel mandrel bent tubing, plus a mean-looking 3.5-inch black ceramic-coated tip. It fits factory hanger spots, so installs a breeze. And with over 35 years of Flowmaster pedigree, you know it's legit. This one's all about that modern mellow growl with zero drone on the freeway. Smooth and clean, but still strong enough to turn heads. At number 5, we've got the AFE MACH Force. Let's hear how this one sounds. This system's all about flow and fit. You get 2.5-inch mandrel bent stainless steel tubing, a free flow muffler, and a high-tuck tailpipe. Perfect for keeping it tight on the trail. Installation's a breeze too, thanks to OE-style hangers and band clamps. It's got a deep, aggressive tone that's not obnoxious, but definitely says, "I don't mess around." Plus, it's built tough enough to handle high heat and crazy vibrations, no problem. Coming in at number 4, we've got BORLA. Let's check out that sound. BORLA is all about premium build and performance. You're getting T304 stainless steel, made in the United States, with a fully welded construction that's built to outlive the Jeep itself. What really makes BORLA stand out is its signature tone, refined but still mean, giving you that smooth BORLA sound of power without being too much inside the cabin. Install is bolt-on simple, and it's a solid pick if you want high-end quality that performs just as hard as it looks. Taking the third spot is Flowmaster Super 44. Time to fire it up and hear it go. If you're into a bold, raw sound with that classic Flowmaster growl, this one's your jam. It's got a 2.5-inch aluminized mandrel bent tailpipe and a Super 44 muffler that hits you with that aggressive tone from the jump. It's lighter than stock and made from heavy-duty 14-gauge steel, so it can take some serious trail punishment. Just a heads up, this one may need some fab work, so have a shop lined up unless you're handy with tools. Rolling in at number 2 is the Dynomax Super Turbo. Let's give it a listen. Now this one's for the Jeep owner who wants power without the harsh drone. The Dynomax Super Turbo brings mellow vibes with its fiberglass matting and flow director tech, cutting interior resonance while improving torque and airflow. It's a full direct fit solution, no welding, no hassle, just bolt it on and go. Aluminized steel and mandrel bends keep the airflow strong, and that smooth, deeper tone makes it perfect for both trail and daily duty. And in the #1 spot, Banks Engineering. Let's crank it up. This system is clean, sleek, and pure performance. You're looking at stainless steel construction, a massive 3.75-inch tip, and precision engineering that screams quality. The Banks catback unlocks hidden horsepower and gives your Wrangler a throatier, richer sound that's got presence without being overbearing. It's a straight-up upgrade in power, tone, and looks. Exactly what you'd expect from a brand that's all about top-tier engineering. If you're serious about giving your Jeep Wrangler TJ or LJ the growl it deserves, any of these exhaust kits will get the job done. Whether you're chasing pure sound, better flow, or long-term durability, you've got solid options here. All the links are waiting for you in the description, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Jeep builds, gear tests, and off-road upgrades. Stay loud out there.